Hi guys, we have here the Keurig K-Cup Carousel. So I'll give you guys a quick look. This thing can hold up to 27 K-Cup packs. Let's go ahead and open this up of this carousel and so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the packaging on the outside. And this is what you'll receive. So it comes like this. Nothing else, no instructions or anything else. Put this box away and give you guys a quick look rundown. So this is how the carousel looks like. Pretty simple. Fits cup in there. Fits up to 27 K cups. Nice standing, small. It's not a big carousel. As you can see here, lifted pretty easily. But it's nonetheless a great quality product for the Keurig K cup. So if you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.